What are tax lien certificates? Tax liens are a first position lien on property due to delinquent property taxes that pay 16, 18, even as high as 25% return mandated by government. You either get a high interest rate check in the mail every single month, or you get valuable properties all across the country or in your backyard for 4 to 10% of the fair market value. When taking your first steps into investing, you have to look at the risk, the effort involved, and the returns. There are several investing options out there. There's flipping houses, crypto, multifamily, rental, etc. What's the difference with tax lien certificates? It's been available in the United States for over 200 years, and I have developed a successful method for my students that I've perfected over the last 30 years. Let me tell you what this is not. This is not the latest get-rich-quick scheme. Here today, gone tomorrow, fancy cars, beach houses. This is for real people who want a time-tested strategy that will provide financial freedom for them and their families. Now, anything good and anything of value takes time, and I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. In order to get 16, 18, even 25% on your money in valuable properties using my method, you'll have to set aside at least 2 to 3 hours a week. I know that doesn't sound like a lot, but that's exactly how thousands of my students have perfected this method for the last 30 years, creating new streams of income and revenue for themselves and their family. Over 5,000 jurisdictions across the United States. Once a property owner is 1 year delinquent on their property taxes, you and I are allowed to put up the money for the delinquent taxes, helping the county meet their obligations. Roads, police, fire, and most important, schools. This is not new. This has been available longer than we've been a country. One of two things will happen. You either get a check in the mail for $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, just like you're seeing on the screen here, or you will get property free and clear with no mortgage. There is no gray area with this strategy. High interest rate checks, monthly like the ones I'm showing you here, or properties free and clear.